Have you ever wondered about the unseen forces that shape our lives? Have you ever felt that there is something greater, something beyond the physical world that guides and influences our daily experiences? Today we are diving deep into the fundamental principle of spiritual law, a concept that has been contemplated, studied and revered for centuries across various cultures and philosophies. This principle is not just an abstract idea, but a powerful tool that can lead to profound changes in your life. It's something that could open your mind and heart, providing you with clarity and a sense of purpose. Let's start by understanding what we mean by spiritual law. At its core, spiritual law refers to the underlying truths that govern the universe and our lives. It's about the rules that aren't written in any book, but are felt and recognized by the soul. These laws are universal, meaning they apply to everyone, regardless of their background, beliefs, or personal situations. They are about aligning ourselves with the natural order of the universe, leading to a harmonious and fulfilling life. One of the fundamental aspects of spiritual law is the law of cause and effect. This principle states that every action has a reaction, and our thoughts and actions create our reality. It's like planting a seed. Whatever you plant, you will eventually see the fruits. If you sow positivity, love, and kindness, that's what you will reap. Conversely, if your actions are filled with negativity, anger, or selfishness, those will be the fruits of your labor. This law encourages us to be mindful of our thoughts and actions and to take responsibility for the energy we bring into the world. It's important to recognize that the spiritual law of cause and effect is not just about external actions. It also deeply involves our internal states. Your inner world, the thoughts and emotions you harbor, has a powerful influence on your outer reality. In essence, we attract what we hold inside. If you hold on to fear, doubt, and negativity, your experiences and interactions will reflect that. On the other hand, nurturing positive thoughts and a hopeful attitude can attract positive outcomes and opportunities in your life. Another critical principle of spiritual law is the law of attraction. This law suggests that like attracts like. It means that whatever we focus on, we draw into our lives. If you constantly think of abundance, joy, and success, you are likely to attract these experiences. However, if your mind is fixated on scarcity, failure, or sadness, those are the realities you will bring forth. This rule empowers us to take control of our thoughts and shape our reality consciously. To utilize the law of attraction effectively, goal setting and visualization come into play. Visualizing your goals as already achieved can make them materialize more smoothly. When your mind envisions success, it activates a network of thoughts and actions that bring you closer to your goals. Imagine your dreams in vivid detail. Feel the emotions associated with achieving them, and watch how the universe responds. This process helps in aligning our subconscious mind towards our aspirations, setting the stage for real-world manifestations. We must also consider the law of reciprocity, which teaches us the value of giving and receiving. This law states that whatever energy you send out into the world, it will come back to you, often magnified. When you give, whether it's your time, resources, or love, you create space to receive. This principle is not about immediate reciprocation, but cultivating a generous spirit and trusting that the universe balances the scales. In understanding spiritual laws, we come to appreciate the interconnectedness of all things. The law of unity reminds us that we are all part of a larger whole. This law highlights the importance of empathy, compassion, and cooperation. Recognizing our interconnection encourages us to act with kindness and consideration. It teaches us that what we do to others, we ultimately do to ourselves. This awareness can transform how we interact with the world, making us more conscious of the impacts of our actions. Now let's delve into the law of rhythm, which states that everything in life has a natural cycle. There are times of growth and times of rest, moments of high energy and low. Understanding this law can help us navigate life's ups and downs with grace and patience. When we acknowledge that challenging times are temporary and part of a larger cycle, we can maintain a sense of peace and stability. It's a reminder to flow with life's natural rhythms rather than resist them. Equally significant is the law of balance and harmony. This law emphasizes the importance of maintaining equilibrium in all areas of life: physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual. It encourages us to take a holistic approach to well-being and to ensure that we are not neglecting any aspect of ourselves. Balance doesn't mean that everything will always be in perfect harmony, but it indicates that we should strive for a sense of completeness and integration in our lives. It is about finding that sweet spot between work and rest, activity and contemplation, giving and receiving. The power of spiritual law lies in its simplicity and depth. These laws don't require us to become philosophical or religious scholars. They ask us to live with awareness and intentionality. They invite us to look beyond the material world and to recognize the profound connection we have with the universe. By aligning our lives with these principles, we can create a more meaningful and fulfilling existence. We learn to see the beauty in the everyday, find strength in adversity, and experience a sense of inner peace and purpose. Personal growth within the framework of spiritual law involves recognizing our true essence. It's about peeling away the layers of external identities and reconnecting with our inner selves. When we strip away the societal labels and expectations, we begin to see who we truly are, an extension of the divine, with the innate power to create, love, and transform. This self-awareness is empowering. It shifts our focus from what we think we should be to who we are meant to be. Embracing our authentic selves allows us to live authentically and joyfully. A critical element of any spiritual practice is mindfulness. Being present in each moment allows us to fully experience life. It helps us to listen to our inner guidance and align with our true path. Mindfulness can be practiced through meditation, deep breathing, or simply being aware of our thoughts and actions throughout the day. By being present, we build a deeper connection with ourselves and the world around us. This connection fosters peace, understanding, and compassion, enabling us to navigate life's challenges with resilience. Gratitude is another powerful tool in spiritual alignment. Expressing gratitude shifts our focus from what is lacking in our lives to what we have. It opens our hearts and minds to the abundance that surrounds us. When we practice gratitude regularly, we transform our mindset, creating a positive loop where positivity attracts more positivity. This shift not only improves our mental and emotional well-being, but also enhances our relationships and life satisfaction. Another profound aspect of spiritual law is forgiveness. Holding on to grudges and resentment can weigh heavily on our spirit, causing emotional and physical distress. Forgiving others and ourselves frees us from the chains of past hurts. It allows us to move forward with a lighter, more open heart. This process is not about condoning wrong actions, but releasing the hold they have on our well-being. When we practice forgiveness, we make space for healing and growth. Holistic practices play a significant role in aligning with spiritual laws. These include activities that nourish the body, mind, and spirit, such as yoga, tai chi, or spending time in nature. These practices help in balancing our energies and connecting us with our deeper selves. They remind us of the importance of taking care of our physical health as part of our spiritual well-being. Through holistic practices, we find harmony and alignment, fostering a more balanced and fulfilling life. Listening to our intuition is also crucial in understanding and applying spiritual laws. Our intuition is the inner voice or gut feeling guiding us towards our true path. It's a form of direct communication with the universe, providing us with insights that logic and reasoning may miss. By learning to trust and follow our intuition, we align more closely with our spiritual truths and make decisions that are beneficial for our growth and well-being. It's important to build a community that supports and uplifts you. Like-minded individuals can provide vital support, guidance, and inspiration. Sharing your experiences and learning with others can deepen your understanding and commitment to spiritual principles. A supportive community helps reinforce positive changes and sustains your spiritual growth. Moreover, Service to others is a foundational element of spiritual law. Acts of kindness, whether big or small, enrich our spirit and contribute positively to the collective consciousness. Helping others fosters a sense of unity and connection. It reminds us of our shared humanity and the importance of compassion and empathy in our daily lives. Being of service is not just about grand gestures, but also about offering our time, energy, and presence to those in need. Daily affirmations can also play a powerful role in aligning with spiritual laws. Positive affirmations help reprogram our subconscious mind, instilling beliefs that support our growth and well-being. They can be simple statements that reflect our desired state of being, such as, "I am at peace," or "I attract abundance." Repeating these affirmations regularly can help shift our mindset, making it easier to align with our spiritual principles. Lastly, patience is a vital virtue in the realm of spiritual law. Understanding and integrating these principles is an ongoing process. It requires time, practice, and patience. There will be moments of doubt and setbacks, but these are natural parts of any growth process. With patience, we can persevere, allowing our understanding and connection to deepen over time. It's essential to be kind to ourselves and recognize that spiritual growth is a lifelong journey. Embarking on the path defined by spiritual law opens up a world of possibilities. It introduces us to the unseen forces that shape our existence and provides us with the tools to navigate life with wisdom and grace. As we align ourselves with these principles, we find more harmony, peace, and purpose. We realize that we are not just passive participants in the universe, but active co-creators of our reality. Remember, the change starts with you. By understanding and applying the fundamental principles of spiritual law, you can transform your life and the world around you. This transformation is not just personal, but has the potential to inspire and uplift those you encounter. Your journey towards spiritual alignment is a gift to yourself and a contribution to the greater good. Incorporate these laws into your daily life. Practice mindful living, set positive intentions, and stay patient and compassionate. As you do, you'll begin to notice a profound shift in your experience of life. The spiritual laws are not just theories. They are practical, actionable guidelines that can lead to real, tangible improvements in your well-being and happiness. By embracing spiritual laws, you tap into the deeper wisdom of the universe. You learn to live in harmony with the natural order, enhancing every aspect of your life. This understanding brings about a sense of peace and fulfillment that transcends material possessions or external achievements. It reconnects you with your true essence and the divine source, fostering a life of joy, purpose, and infinite possibilities. So start today. Open your heart and mind to the wisdom of spiritual laws. Let them guide you towards a more enriching and fulfilling life. You have the power within you to create a reality that reflects your highest potential. Trust in the process. Stay committed and watch how your life transforms in beautiful and unexpected ways. The journey towards spiritual alignment is the greatest journey you will ever undertake. A journey back to your true self, full of endless wonders and profound joy.